Ohio, reverence, pride, community. This is what data centers bring to Ohio communities. PFAS, forever chemicals, discharged into Ohio rivers and Lake Erie. No limits, no testing required, a constant low-frequency hum, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You cannot block it with earplugs. Diesel generators, nitrogen oxides, fine particles, linked to respiratory disease. Ohio spent decades cleaning up its industrial pollution. Some sites still aren't finished. Make Ohio healthy again? Question data centers. Ohio first. Ohio eyes open.